First, locate the inventory center in front of the room right beside the fence. Here you will find all the required parts for this demo. Then, locate the tripods, and screw the base stations in their respective tripods. Now, install the auxiliary cable at the back of the base stations as shown. Go on and connect the power plug and adapter for the base stations. Slowly, raise the stands, one rod at a time, to their maximum heights, and lock them using their knobs. Also, make sure that both base stations are facing each other. Excellent. Now, plug the HDMI, USB, and power cables from the headset onto the orange marked side of the link box. Connect the HDMI, USB, and power cable on the other side of the link box as well. Next, you need to plug in HDMI and USB cables from the link box to the computer's CPU. Plug in the power adapter for the headset on the power socket.